Hello friends, today I am going to make a very healthy and easy breakfast from eggs. For that you need 2 eggs, 4-5 pieces of bread, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 or 3 spoons of milk. For that, first we are going to beat the egg. We are going to beat the egg. We are going to beat the egg nicely. In that mixture, we are going to put 1 teaspoon of sugar just for the flavor. Not even 1, you can just put half a teaspoon of sugar. And again beat it. You can see. And once it's done, we are going to add 2 teaspoons of milk into that mixture. So the mixture looks like something like this. Now on a hot tawa or a pan, I have already preheated it. We are going to add half a teaspoon of oil. And the bread pieces that you have taken, one by one, add this mixture. With the spoon, just spread it on it. And then pick it up and keep it on the oil. And then with on the other side, take 1 more spoon and spread the mixture. Now you can use little bit of oil on the sides of the bread. Once you've applied it, turn the bread and just press it with little hands. Little bit of pressure. You can see the bread looks like this. And just you can take it and keep it in the plate. I'll just show it one more time to you. On a tawa, take 1 teaspoon of oil. With this mixture, spread it on the bread on one side. Then keep it on the tawa. Again on the other side, spread the mixture like this. And put a little bit of oil on all the sides. And you are going to press the bread and turn it. This is a very healthy and easy snack, a breakfast or a snack item which you can have it, and that keeps your tummy full. There are many varieties from egg that you can make. I'll be showing you in the near future many varieties made out of egg, but this is one of the easiest recipe that you can use it. It hardly takes time. All that you need is egg and bread. Sugar and milk, anyway you'll have it in your houses. You can see it looks like this. I hope you enjoyed this healthy breakfast. Thanks again.